So this is week 3 and week 4 of my trading journey. And I know I didn't upload week 3. It's because I was traveling and I was out of state, so I didn't have much time to edit and upload the video. But in this video is going to be my trades from week 3 and my trades from week 4. And that's pretty much it. So let's get into the video. So this is the first trade of week 3, and in this trade I saw this kind of uptrend, you could say. I saw it go up, I saw a little bit of a pullback, and then I decided to buy when the candle passed the high of the previous candle, just for like confirmation. I waited for some confirmation, then I decided to buy. And one thing I should have done was maybe placed like a buy stop order, because as soon as it went higher than the previous candle's high, I was a little bit late to it, but it's okay. I still got some profits in this trade. And this trade took a while. It took a couple minutes and kept going up, kept going down. But in the end, I made some profits, and I think I made a profit of about $105. So this is trade 2 of week 3, and as soon as the market opened, I saw this little pullback. The volume was looking good, everything was looking good. It was like a picture perfect trade, so I decided to enter when the candle passed the previous candle's high. And as soon as I entered, it was all looking good. I was in the green, I was up $40-50. But then slowly the price started dropping. The market didn't do what I wanted it to do. Price started dropping, and I'll give you guys my reaction when price started dropping. Oh hell no.
Oh, hell no!
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
So price started dropping. I got a little scared and decided to move my stop loss, which I should not have done. I should have kept it where it was, because then eventually it hit my stop loss anyways, and I was out of that trade. A loss of about $138. And those trades conclude week 3. I made some mistakes in both of those trades, so I decided to look back on those trades and learn from my mistakes, and you guys will see how me looking back at those trades benefited me in week 4. So now let's head to week 4. So this is the first trade of week 4. In this trade, I saw this area of support, and I decided to buy when the red candle started rejecting from that area, just for some confirmation. And as soon as I bought, I was in the red, maybe $10-20, which happens, that's normal. Then I was break even, and then suddenly the price just starts dropping. And I thought it was gonna hit my stop loss, but then the next thing you know, the price just shoots back up. It almost hit my take profit, and as soon as it shot up, I decided to take my profits. And I had, I think, a profit of about $69. And in this trade, as you can see, it's another uptrend. You know I love those uptrends. And just like all the other times, I decided to wait for price to pass previous candle's high, just for confirmation. You know, I love confirmation. And as soon as it passed, I decided to enter the trade, and the trade was going very, very smoothly. As soon as I entered the trade, price started pushing up. No real problems here. Then price had another little pullback, and then price started pushing up more. And I just decided to take my profits early, even though I should have waited. Because eventually it did hit my take profit. But it is what it is. Maybe another lesson learned. But in this trade, I made a profit of about $119, I think. So this is the final trade of week 4. In this trade, originally I wanted to set a buy stop order, but I decided to scrap that, and I saw price reject from the 9 EMA, and so my plan was to buy this when the candle broke the previous candle's high, and I entered the trade. One mistake I did here was that I was so focused on if I was making or losing money that I forgot to set proper take profits and stop losses. And in this trade, it was like a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and I should have put my take profit higher because then eventually the price just ripped right through my take profit. But it is what it is. I still made a profit of about $107. So it is the end of the month, and this month has been very, very crazy for me. The first week I almost made $400, and the next week I lost it all, and the week after that I was again in the red, and this week I really made a comeback. The 4th week of September I really made a comeback, and I'll have everything on the screen, all the trades I've made throughout this month, and I can say that I've learned a lot from this month. I've really learned a lot from this month, what to do with take profit, stop losses, when to enter and exit a trade. Overall, this month has been really a month about learning, and at the end of the month I also made a profit while learning, and I made a profit of $227 at the end of the month, and this is I'm just really surprised. So that's the end of September, and I will see you guys in the first week of October.